National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Winnebago County in north central Illinois until 9:15 p.m. At 8:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near German Valley and moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Rockford Airport, Rockford, Loves Park, McChesney Park, Rockton, South Beloit, Pecatonica, Winnebago, Lake Somerset, Durand, Cherry Valley, Roscoe and New Milford. Other locations affected: Rock Cut State Park, Rock Valley College, Rockford River Hawks Baseball, Rockford Speedway, Winnebago County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room